It is people versus Mamta today. Mamta today in Bengal, where the people of West Bengal, without a single political banner, without a single political leader, without a single political known face, holding such a rally, and still now the people are on the road. Still now as we speak. Right now we are showing visuals how the protesters were detained. Almost they lost their clothes. The police were dragging the protesters across road, and almost all the clothes they were losing. This is unprecedented as well. How mercilessly the police dragged protesters through the roads that they had to become almost naked. This is what the police is doing right now. See how they are dragging. And the women protesters were dragged as well, manhandled, dragged by their necks, by their arms, and put in prison vans. These were the visuals, how merciless police crackdown on women protesters. Look at this woman. This woman is saying, I have a girl child and I am right now on the streets to demand justice because I am scared that my girl child will also have to face the same fate. But look at how she is being treated. Shameless show of power by Kolkata police. Shamelessly cracking down on peaceful protesters and women. This day would be probably written in the history of Kolkata police of how shamelessly they showed their power and cracked down on the protesters. In some instances, the protesters had to also backlash. We saw a few areas saw a short period of stone pelting as well, but that was a backlash. Of course, in the face of atrocities, what would they do? In the face of the atrocities by Kolkata police, they had to, in a way, backlash. And also how see this sadhu with a national flag standing there alone in the face of police crackdown and the water cannon sprayed on the sadhu. Even the water cannons could not, with their full force, move these protesters a bit from their location. A bit from their location. They could not be moved. They could not be moved. Look at this sadhu with a trikala in his hand, looking at the police and saying to increase the force. This is what the people of West Bengal are saying today. The people of West Bengal are angry, and these are the visuals across the day. Since morning 12:30, and it's now 5:18, almost 5:30 now, 5 hours now, and still now these protests are happening. A veteran protester, an elderly person being sprayed with water cannon. These visuals are symbolic, in fact. A person standing, a saffron-clad sadhu standing with a trikala and water cannon being sprayed over him. This is symbolic. How the state government using police forces. And look at this person being slapped by a police official. And there are women protesters, and there are policemen handling women, and see how he's being slapped. Is this the way to handle protests? Is this the way how to handle protest? Is the Kolkata police authorized to slap a protester on his cheek? Not even lathi charging, straightly slapping on his cheek. Is this how? Are they goons? Are they goons? This was the visual, and right now live visuals are one hand. Even after such atrocities, even after such lathi charge, even after such slapping by Kolkata police and dragging the protesters in a way that they are losing even their clothes, still now the protesters are sitting. We are showing 6 windows where live visuals as well as visuals from throughout the day, how the showdown happened in Howrah, how Mamata's cops have been unleashed on the protesters, how tear gas and water cannons were fired, were detained, how students were dragged away brutally, and how the protesters were clashing. All these visuals